Hey friends, Drew here in downtown Kennett Square. We have an awesome event happening today, Sport Camp Dreamcatcher. We're doing our Over the Edge event. We have propellers coming down that wall. If you want to come check it out, it's all kinds of super strange and exciting and awesome. And big crowd gathered here today. Come join us, come hang out. I'll show you a video what that looks like next. Here we go.
Way to go, Kalish, looking good up there. Way to go, Jan. Nice job. Come on down to Kennett Square. Check it out. Camp Dreamcatcher going over the edge. Great job going over the edge for Camp Dreamcatcher here today. Appreciate all you do here in Kennett Square and for our campers. Great job. Give them another big round of applause. Thanks for coming out and supporting Camp Dreamcatcher here today. Remember, we got our raffle going on. Buy your tickets. 1 for 5, 3 for 10, 8 for 20.